Hey, it's Brian from Winter Garden Yoga, and I hope today's video finds you well. The other day my wife asked if I could show her any sort of routine to help her get rid of a tension headache she was experiencing. And so we went through this sequence. It takes about 10 minutes. It's very easy, very gentle. It helps soothe your nervous system, helps increase the blood flow through your shoulders and your neck, and it could help bring relief to any sort of tension headache you may be experiencing. When you're ready, either grab a chair or grab your yoga mat. You could sit cross-legged if you like, or you can sit up tall in a chair. Either way, it doesn't matter. And when you're ready, we'll go through this sequence to help relieve any sort of tension headaches you may be experiencing. Awesome. The first step is just to breathe in and out through your nose. It's called nasal breathing. Nasal breathing has a natural calming effect on your body, on your nervous system. The goal is for the next 2 minutes to breathe in and out through your nose and to do an internal scan. Make sure you're not scrunching your face or gritting your teeth. The more you sit up tall, the more your muscles can relax around your face, neck, and shoulders. Sit up tall. If you like, close your eyes or keep your eyes open. I'll keep the time for the next 2 minutes. And let's breathe in and out through our nose for 2 minutes. Ready? Okay. Begin. As you're sitting up tall, do your best to breathe evenly in through your nose and out through your nose. Don't stress, just do your best to breathe in and out through your nose. As you're sitting here breathing, do your best, make sure your forehead is free of tension. Make sure your jaw is free of tension, that you're not gritting your teeth. Let your neck soften. You're trying to more or less keep your ears over your shoulders. The better your alignment, the less tension you'll experience in your neck and in your skull. About 1 more minute left, and just breathing in and out through your nose. Just taking these 2 minutes to calm down and relax may be just enough to ward off your tension headache. Sometimes we walk around holding tension in our face, in our jaw, in our necks. We're not even aware of it until a headache manifests. Just taking a minute or two to calm down, center yourself, concentrate on your breathing and relaxing can work wonders. Now from here, just gently open your eyes if they were closed, and let's continue. Still breathing in and out through your nose. Let's look up and down. Look up toward the ceiling and then look straight down towards your chest. And we'll repeat this for about 1 minute. We're trying to be kind of loose and kind of free Don't go to very deep end ranges. Try not to stress out your muscles. We don't want to overstretch. Right on the brink when you feel resistance, that's when you stop and go the other way. So if you're feeling real tight in the back of your neck, you may not look down very far, and that's okay. Don't go into deep, deep, deep stretch. Just nice, gentle mobility. Good. Next time you're facing forward, pause. It will tilt side to side. The same rules apply. Just keep your breath flowing. We are not looking for a deep, deep stretch. We are looking for gentle, freeing mobility. If you pull on tight muscles, you'll get tighter muscles. But if we can explore on the gentler side of our end ranges, the body will respond positively and may even help us loosen up. Good. Now the next time you face forward, we'll combine the two and make just gentle circles for the skull. So I'm just turning the skull, I'm turning it clockwise from my perspective. Just gentle circles. I'm not going for deep stretch. I'm trying for gentle release. We'll put it that way. Breathing in and out through the nose. You can go very, very slowly if you like. Let's come back the other way, just gently. This is a subtle combination of looking up, looking down, and tilting side to side. We put it all together and make a nice gentle circle. Just a couple more repetitions. The next time you're more or less facing forward, pause. Good. And just keep breathing in and out through your nose. Now we'll do neck rotations. Gently look over one shoulder, then look over the other shoulder, and repeat. The first few repetitions should be very, 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 very easy. Don't want to push too hard through the end range of motion, just easy. But as you feel your tension sort of back off, as you start to feel more release, see if you can gently go a little deeper, just 1 centimeter more, just a little bit deeper, maybe half a centimeter more. Just enough to get a little more rotation to the left and to the right. Still trying to sit up tall. Still breathing in and out through your nose. Let's go one more this way. One more this way. Back to center and pause. Now, for the last step, bring your hands together in front of you. You can do heart center, prayer fashion, heart center, or you can just clasp your hands this way. From here, just raise your shoulders up as high as you can and lower your shoulders as low as you can. So you're going to feel a little bit of a neck stretch, neck and shoulder stretch when you pull your shoulders down. When you lift your shoulders up, you'll feel your neck and shoulders. They may or may not get crampy, but here they get kind of stretched. and here they get kind of smushed together. So in a way, it's like a massage, very similar to a massage. Very slow motion, gentle, easy. Just trying to increase the blood flow and just trying to get things moving around a little bit. Good. Now we try to move the shoulder blades. If this represents your shoulder blades, we want to go forward and backward. It's called protraction and retraction. So again, hands at your heart level, move your shoulder blades away from your spine. It's called protraction. Move your shoulder blades towards your spine. It's called retraction. So moving this way kind of stretches the upper back. Moving in retraction strengthens the upper back, but it stretches the upper chest. Protraction, retraction. Shoulder blades move away from your spine. Shoulder blades move toward your spine. Back to center. And now we'll put all that together to make shoulder circles. Protraction, lift up, retraction, pull down. Protraction, lift up, retraction, pull down. Just a lot of words for saying try to make a big circle with your shoulder blades. You can fact check me on this, but a massage therapist told me once that the trapezius, these muscles here, the trapezius muscles, they trap tension and waste products. The blood tends to get stale in the trapezius, so that creates pain and stiffness, among other things. But when we massage the trapezius, we flush all that stuff out. Fact check me in the comments below. Now we'll try to come back the other way. Raise your shoulders up, protraction. Drop your shoulder blades down, squeeze behind, retraction. Up, forward, down, back. It's just a lot of words for saying, make the circle go the other way. Just a couple more. Very deliberate and accurate manipulation of the shoulder blades. Shake out your hands if you feel any tension. And then just come back to a seated position. Close your eyes and breathe in and out through your nose. How do you feel? Do you feel less stressed? Did your headache go away? Do you feel exactly the same? Let me know in the comments below. If this was helpful, please share it with someone, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel because we'd really appreciate it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Go forth and be awesome.